Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a special kind of unboxing. I received a package from Juno and Co. It is called a Lucky Box. They were selling them on their site right after Christmas. I believe they went live on December 25th. And you could buy a Juno and Co. mystery box for $25. I believe they are still available. If they are, I will link them below. But I wanted to show you all what was sent to me in this $25 Juno and Co. box. So let's get it. Here. Now I did just pop it open, but I haven't really gone through everything in here. This is a fairly large box, y'all. It's bigger than my BoxyCharm box. So I'm pretty happy. It came in all of this bubble wrap. And again, this was $25 and you were guaranteed to get up to $100 worth of product from Juno & Co.'s site. So we're gonna dig right in here. I should have made room on my desk, and look at this, guys. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. So, as you know, Juno & Co. is the maker of the Velvet Microfiber Sponge. Now, here's one that I've been using for powder. It is dry. It is fuzzy. I don't know if you can see the texture on that or not. It has a slanty spot and a flat bottom. That is the first original OG Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. The first thing I see on top is a microfiber fusion sponge, and it appears to be shaped a little bit differently than the OG one. And those retail for, I think, $6 on their site, so not too upset about it. And then we have a couple lollipop lashes here, a couple different styles. This one is called Mad Love, and they have a clear band and appear to be a little bit natural, a little wispy. These ones are also called Mad Love. Oh, maybe these are Wow and these are Boom. I don't know. But these ones have a little bit more hair. They're a little more full than these. And on the back, they're super cute. Look. Oh, I got a set of eyes. Super cute. So these are called their lollipop lashes, and I think they retail on their site for about $1.55 a piece normally. Now we have a couple of things that are not Juno & Co. This is a Folklore matte lip crayon and in number 21 French Blue and in number 18 Brave. Sorry, my lighting is a bit off there. Sorry about that. It says it is a matte lip crayon. Let's pop these out, see if we can swatch. Okay, this is the one in 18 Brave. It does smell like an actual crayon. It is a good nude color. It's pretty creamy. It actually goes on more like a satin cream lipstick than a matte though. It's got a little bit of a shine to it, so it's a little weird. And I can tell by the consistency that it's not like dry down matte, so it will transfer. Now we're trying to open this blue one, and this is 21 in French Blue. Ooh, look at her. Okay, y'all know I've kind of outgrown the blue lipstick phase, but this might be good for a blue eyeshadow base, like a dark eyeshadow base. If you're going to do like a bright glitter or something like that, it might be good for that. Let me put these away. I have no idea how much those retail for, but we got them. They're Folklore. They're not even Juno & Co., so I'm not sure. Next thing we have is in this little bag. It has a tassel and a jewel. Let's see what this is. So it looks like this. I think the tassel's kind of cute. Jewel's kind of cute, a little bit sharp. Okay, this is Charm Noble Color 3, easy to make up lasting color. Oh Lord, okay, so it's a bright like orange coral color. Yes. So there that is right there. interesting. I'll just say it's interesting. Next we have a Magical Halo Soft Gel Eyeliner in shade 2. That looks like that. Let's open her up and see. Okay, that is a gel eyeliner, and it is like a brown, like a chocolate brown. Honestly, it smells like kid makeup. And it has a little brush just like that. So I'm not going to swatch this. I don't use brown eyeliner, so I'm not going to swatch this so that way I can give it away or something. Next, we have a palette. This is a Summer Nights palette from Juno and Co. It is a 12 shades eyeshadow palette. This is cruelty free, and once opened, it has a 24-month shelf life. Okay, so it has a decent sized mirror on it, and these would be the colors. Not too bad. A little bit of variety in there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 mattes and 6 shimmers. So I'm really digging this purple and this blue here. They look pretty cool. I'll try that in a different video sometime down the road. I've never used any of their cosmetic products, so I don't know. Okay, I've got another sponge which also looks to have a different shape. It has little cutouts and it's flat. Right there, this one is called the microfiber angled contour sponge. So 2 sponges. Those are like $6 a piece, so that's pretty awesome. We have another bag with these little things in here. And I know what these are. I've seen these on Instagram, but I haven't seen anyone be able to successfully use one. But we got 2 of these little they're like for doing a cut crease, but they have these little silver balls on them. So super cute. I might try these out when I'm feeling ultra glam. Okay, we got another matte lip crayon, and this one is in shade 16 Del Rio. Got a couple more things in the bottom of this box, so we got a significant amount of stuff in here. Ooh, this is a really nice kind of mauvey nude. Right there on the bottom, that is my shade. I live for this color. Most of the time I'm not wearing this dark lip. I wear a mauve color like this, so that's pretty great. I think I'll get some good use out of that. Alright, now we have a Party Queen waterproof long-lasting Kohl eye pencil. And it doesn't tell me a shade, so it is in black, and it is called Aqua Eyes. You always need a black liner. Looks to be pretty black, and it's matte. It's not too shiny, so that could be okay. Glide on eye pencil is what it says. It says it's waterproof, so I don't know. Always use a black eyeliner. Can't complain about that. And the last thing in this box is this. It says Color, maybe Color Dreams in Color Mermaid Makeup Brush Set. And this is the back. It tells you what all makeup brushes are in here. Okay, so it comes with a little baggie with a cute little seashell, a little bag, and all of these brushes. There's a little pamphlet about the brushes. Has like care tips, how to use them, how to store them, how to clean them. So that's pretty cool. They're all individually wrapped, so they don't really tell you what they are, but they have these fun little shaped handles. They're all flat on the bottom. So here's kind of like a dome shaped, maybe blendy brush. And then we have a basic like not crease brush, but lid brush, maybe for packing on shadow. Here's another Domi blender brush. Here's a powder brush, so that's nice. It feels, it's not as dense as I normally like my powder brushes, but it's really soft, so I don't know how these are going to work. Here's a tiny little, normally is it for like concealer or something like that? So there's that. Oh, we're falling out here. And here's another little powder brush maybe. Just a more dense one for those of you that like maybe putting on foundation with a brush like this or doing your concealer. You like a bigger brush for that. And a few more. We have an angled brush there for brows. It seems actually pretty thin, so it might work really well for brows. And then a couple other eyeshadow brushes here. These are ones that we've already gotten, so they're kind of, they appear to be duplicates. And then this big old guy, another big giant powder brush. Again, it doesn't feel too very dense, but it's very soft, so it might work for some people. And that is what we got in this Juno & Co. lucky bag this month. So did you get the invite to get this bag? Did you get this bag? What did you get? Because I have seen a couple of unboxings out there and people got a lot of different things. So that's actually pretty awesome that they weren't just doing everything the same. For me, I think the best thing is, you can always have some travel brushes. This is pretty cool. I like the sponges, and you know your girl loves some lashes, so that's pretty cool. And I have used their lollipop lashes before, so I do know that these actually work pretty well. If you like the clear, more pliable bands, these work really well. And some sponges, I'm happy about that. That is super cool. The lippies, I'm not sure. This color though, the Del Rio, the last one that we opened, the mauve color, pretty excited about that. I'm interested to see how it feels on my lips. Other than that, I mean, I'm not disappointed. Do I think it was worth it? It was fun. The lashes and the sponges, you know, it was probably a loss for me, all said and done, but it was fun. It's a good idea. Oh, I forgot the shadow palette. So I don't know. Shadow palette might make it worth the while. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out. Let me know if you've tried any of their eyeshadow palettes or not and what you think of them. Anyways, let me know what you thought down below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button because you know you want to see what kind of videos I come up with next. And I guess that's just all for today. I'm going to go snuggle up on my couch with the fireplace because it is snow-ma-fucking-get in here. And it's crazy and I don't like snow. So I'm going to go stay warm. I hope you all do too. Have a good night. Bye.